How to buy Netflix account or subscription. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can buy Netflix account or subscription. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to buy Netflix account subscription, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply, first of all, you can try to open your browser instead of the app and go to netflix.com. Now you can create a new Netflix account if you haven't, but you can also log into existing account and simply enter your payment details. So I'll log into one of my existing account, tap on the get started option, and also make sure to enter my password and tap on the next option. It will ask me to choose a plan. So all I have to do is tap on the next option here. Then choose a plan. You have mobile, basic, standard, and premium ultra HD plan. Depending upon whichever is comfortable for you, you can just hit the next option here. Then just enter your payment details using a credit or debit card or your PayPal account. So once done, enter your payment card number, expiration date, CVV, name on card, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on start membership to begin your membership. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically buy Netflix account or Netflix subscription. Hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.